Welcome to Pitzer College. We are very excited that you are here. My name is Menna, and I'm the Associate Dean for Curriculum Advising at Pitzer College, as well as a Professor of Economics. As you are thinking about your journey at Pitzer College, you must know already that in a small liberal arts college like Pitzer, academic advising plays a pivotal role in your journey. Here, we assign all students an academic advisor who is a faculty member at Pitzer College and/or at the Department of Natural Sciences shared by Scripps College and Pitzer College. If you're a first-year student, your academic advisor will be your FYS professor until you decide to declare a major, in which case you can either keep your current advisor or move to your major interest advisor. If you're an incoming transfer student, your academic advisor will be the Associate Dean of Faculty, who will eventually connect you to a major advisor and guide you towards your major. If you're a new resources student, your journey will also start with an Associate Dean of Faculty, who will then help connect you and guide you towards an academic advisor in your area of interest. As a student at Pitzer College, you can choose your academic advisor anytime after your first semester at Pitzer College. Typically, students change their major advisor when they declare a major or have a strong academic interest that they're planning on to pursue. It is important to communicate often with your academic advisor. They are here to help you. Prior to the start of the fall semester, we encourage you to think of a few things that are part of your task list already. One is to consider placement exams. There's more information available about placement exams in subsequent videos. But the three areas usually that have placement exams are mathematics, the languages, and a particular course that combines multiple semesters of chemistry under Chemistry 29. We also encourage you to look through the registration portal for courses offerings for the semester. You can find courses towards your educational objective and breadth of knowledge, as well as courses towards your major of interest or minor of interest. These courses are designated with PZ or any of the other 5C designations to allow you to be able to determine where your courses will be taken, at what time, what day, and who the instructors will be. It is strongly encouraged that you meet with your academic advisor beyond what is required at the beginning of your orientation experience. This is important in order to be able to have questions answered and to discuss your path and journey at Pitzer College to ensure your success. Transfer students, it is important that you meet with the office of the registrar prior to meeting with your academic advisors. This way we can ensure that all credits that need to be transferred are transferred and all credits that apply towards the graduation requirements are applied. When you're thinking about courses and what courses to take for each semester, it is useful to think about what might be a typical load for a Pitzer student. A normal student load at Pitzer is 4 course credits each semester. However, you may take more than 4. 5 or more courses are considered an overload and may come with a tuition surcharge with each course credit. If you want to take 6 or more credits, there's a petition process that takes place with the Academic Standards Committee to allow you to be able to take such courses with success. Courses can be taken for a letter grade, such as A, B, C, or D, or for pass no credit option. Every student is allowed to take 1 pass no credit or credit no credit class per semester with the permission of the faculty member for that class. Students can take classes across the 5 Claremont colleges unless there's specific restrictions put on them. But even in times when there is specific restrictions put on them, students can submit a PERM request, which is an online permission to attend request, where you can justify why you would like to take such class. Such PERM requests are usually submitted for courses close to you because of your college or class year, such as a Pomona class that may not necessarily be available for a Pitzer student, or a class for juniors who may not be available for first-year students. You may also submit PERM requests for courses that are already full or at capacity, asking to be permitted in on top of the capacity, if available, or when other students drop the class. As I stated earlier, academic advising is one of the most important pillars of our educational experience here at Pitzer College. We take pride in being able to advise our students as faculty members and as a community to ensure their success at the end of their 4 years at Pitzer College. To this effect, I would like to offer you 5 tips to make your academic advising efficient, productive, and fruitful. First, check your Pitzer email often and respond promptly to messages from your academic advisor. Second, keep all of your advising appointments and come prepared. If you're not able to attend appointments, please let your academic advisor know so you can have alternative meeting times and you can continue your conversations. 3, think ahead and keep on top of your deadlines. This will enable you to make sure that you are progressing towards your degree completion in a timely manner and that you are benefiting from all the things and resources that Pitzer College has to offer. Fourth advice is to communicate and follow up often, including scheduling follow-up appointments with your academic advisor, as well as any members of the community that you are working with. Lastly, ask a lot of questions. We pride ourselves in being able to ask questions, and we pride that our students also ask questions. This applies also to your academic experience, including but not limited to your courses, to your major, to your minor, to your future after Pitzer College. Ask questions about anything you are uncertain or curious about. Your academic advisor can best assist you if you connect with your advisor and keep them appraised of your academic well-being often. Welcome to Pitzer again.